Okay, so I'm going to start off with the lower guitar. The higher one's just in third, so if you know your theory, you can probably cobble it together. We're on the G string hammering from the 16th to the 18th fret. This is a really quick hammer, like a grace note rather than just really quick. So 16 to 18 on the G, back to the 16. So you have down to 18 on the D string. Oh, they might be in a different tuning, they might be down in a heavier one. I'm in standard, so adjust as needed. We got that. Hit that one again. I'm going to do a little arpeggio, so we're going to go down to this 19th fret on the A, up to the 18th on the D. We're going to do a very similar thing, but just play it kind of shorter. So you do the grace note hammer, that note again, and then to the D string, but we don't go to the A. So far you've got a bit slower. We then go up the scale, so we're going to start on that 18th fret on the G, 16 on the B, 17. So you have hit that 17 again, come down 16, 18, 16 twice on the B, back down to that 18 on the G, then we have a semitone bend on the 16, and then hit it once you return to pitch. So that run is a bit easier to play than it is to explain. It becomes a bit word salad, doesn't it? Let's thread that together from the start. We'll go a bit slowly. And then you'll kind of start again on there, but I'm just doing the very first part of it. So the third harmony, what we're doing is the same rhythm, just a third up higher in the scale. So rather than this, we're going to go up to the next part of the scale, which is the 16 to the 17 on the B, and that's where we're going to do our little grace note, okay? Right, so you're going to do that, hit the 16th again, roll over to the 16th on the G, so you have, hit that again, then we're going down to the 18th on the D, and back up. So recapping that. Little grace note hammer again. Back down to the 16, 16 on the G. Then we have that kind of scale run we had before, but obviously this is a third higher. So we're going to start on the 17th fret on the B, up to the 19, onto the E string, 16. Hit the 16 one more time, come back down, so we're going to go 19 on the B, 17 on the B, and then do one of these grace note hammers from the 17 to the 19. So you have, try and play that cleaner. There we go. So hit this fret again, go down to the 17, and then you want to go to the 19, and this time we're going to bend by a tone. Back to pitch, and then hitting the string one more time. So let's go through the harmony part there. If you want to see more baby metal stuff, let me know in the comments. You can check out more reaction videos there, or if you like Bandmade, you might want to check out that playlist. But hit subscribe to keep up to date with the channel. If you feel like supporting me, check out Patreon. But yeah, take it easy, Ron. Cheers.